It's a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. External memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, voice activation, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.